Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I love to craft. Today we are going to be using this foil pen. I did get it from Hobby Lobby, and if you didn't notice, Hobby Lobby is now on Amazon, so I will have a bunch of things that we are using today linked down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And here is what that foil pen looks like close up. Since Hobby Lobby is so new to Amazon, I might not be able to link the same exact foil pen. However, there is one that looks almost exactly like this one from We Are Memory Keepers, and I will definitely link that one down below. I have used that one and it is fantastic. So let's go ahead and check out some other products that we have here. I did get this from Hobby Lobby as well. It was on clearance and it is like a rainbow kind of foil. I did want to try and just use the gold piece, so I'm gonna have to cut that down. I did get this from American Crafts and I believe that I can use it. It says that it's supposed to be used with the mink. I don't have the mink, but I figured that we would at least try it with the foil pen. If it doesn't work, then, you know, we might have to end up getting the mink. I did buy some things that were on clearance, like this little notebook here. This was $2.12, and it is a very light pink color. Let's open it up. Of course, I have not used it yet. It is a blank notebook kind of journal thing, so it is going to be perfect for junk journaling, and I do want to get into that. So I'm going to try and put my name on the bottom of it. I do have some fonts written down here. These I used with Canva, so I just pulled up a blank document. I did use a cursive cutesy kind of font, and this is what I came up with. I traced it on my phone. And then these two I just wrote on my own, so I'm still very undecided on which one I want to use, and I'm so sorry for the glare. We are still trying to figure out the lighting in here. I did get two new light boxes, but this one I covered up with a piece of paper, and you can kind of see the tape on the glare. And then this one over here is what it looks like normally, so it's kind of like spotty, but I'm trying to keep those glares covered up, so if you see kind of like random placement things on my glass mat, then that is why. Let's go ahead and get started on today's video. So I have my foil pen. It's already plugged in and it's very warm, so let's go ahead and just zoom in a little bit. And we can go ahead and take this packaging off. This was originally $8.49, and we all know that the Paper Studio does run about 40% off every other week, I think. Okay, so let's take that off, set this to the side, and let's see if the band is going to come out about that far. Then we need to probably, I wanted to put my name down in this corner here, but we might just kind of like scoot it over a little bit, or we might just do it on this side. I do want to practice a little bit before we get started, so let's try out this one first. And this is in the color Mint, and it says it is reactive foil. So let's try it out. Okay, where does it start? There we go. If you've never worked with foil before, this is what it looks like. It's very thin. I'm going to use some scissors to cut off a little section here. And I also need, let's see, I'm going to use just a piece of paper here, a little sticky note. I know that you're supposed to put it on top. I'm just going to kind of doodle a little bit. Let's see, maybe just do a little heart. Let's see how that does. Oh, that's pretty. So there it is. It's kind of splotchy around here. You can see the foil reacting to the light. So that is that one. Let's see. Let's just do a little K, and let's do it slowly because maybe that's why it was a little splotchy. Okay, so that one was not any better, honestly. So I don't think that this is really compatible with the foil pen. Okay, let's try this one out. It says specifically on the back, use with heat foil pen. So I have really high hopes for this one. Let's go ahead and take it out of the package. And let's cut off a little section here as well. I'm interested to see how good that the rainbow effect actually does. Let's get a new piece of Post-it note. Zoom you guys in just a little bit. And let's see. I guess we can do another heart and just see how it looks. Okay, that's splotchy too. What is going on? I wonder if this just needs to be plugged in. Okay, let's try that again. Maybe go slower. Maybe that is the technique that we need to be using. Maybe just kind of doodle a little bit. Okay. All right. I don't know what's going on with that. I just unplugged it and plugged it back in. I am using one of these. This could be why it might not be getting enough power. So I might have to bring in like an extension cord, that way that we can reach it a little bit better. But maybe it's just the way that I'm holding the pen, like to the side. So let's try to do it like straight up and down and see if that works any differently. Maybe it's just that angle. So we're gonna try that. No, that did not change at all. Okay, that worked. Okay, so the straight lines worked. I'm not sure why those are not working. So maybe there is just an angle that you have to hold it at, because straight up and down with the lines seem to work, but let's see. Let's try some more straight lines just to see. Maybe it needed to be plugged in and unplugged. Okay, so that's working. Let's try a new piece. Let's try another heart. See if that worked. No, it did not. What in the world is going on? Let's try a K. Do you have to go with fast? Okay, I did it fast that time and it actually worked. So maybe the technique is just that you have to write fast. So let's just do a quick little heart. That worked. Okay, so maybe you just can't go slow with it. You just have to be fully committed to it. Okay, so I think that the technique is just to do it fast. I don't know why. It seems like the slower you go, the better it would be, but I'm one of those kind of crafters where I think that we just need to go ahead and write the name on the notebook and try it out, because I think we finally got it down pat. Let's just try 3 lines here. All right, so there we go. Those are the 3 lines. So those 3 lines were with this one. I think we're going to go with this heat foil that's supposed to be used with the foil pen, and we are going to try just writing my name. I did practice some writing on here, and I think I'm just gonna go with my own kind of handwriting, because I just think that that's more personable instead of trying to copy a font that I found on Canva. It just doesn't seem that personalized for me. So we are just going to cut off another piece, and I'm going to use some tape here to tape this down, and I think I might actually want to trim this down a little bit more. I really wanted to use this gold right here. I think it'll go so good with the very light pink shade of the notebook. And I did have some gold foil, but I literally just gave it to my mom and I forgot that I needed it for this video, so I did not want to bother her with going to get any of it. Okay, so we're just going to tape it down. Oops. Let's move it down just a little bit more. About right there. And then we'll tape it again right here. Let's get some more tape though. I definitely want it to be secured down. All right. I do write with my left hand, so I'm gonna have to kind of tilt it to the side a little bit. Okay, so I wrote it there. I'm a little nervous. I don't really want to move the notebook, but I do want to kind of go over it just a little bit more. Make sure that we have all of the letters, you know, foiled on the notebook. And also, if you were going to do this, I definitely recommend not pulling it up if you think that it's not fully foiled on there, because the placement is going to be super hard to get back. Okay, so, oh my goodness, it looks so good so far. Let's get you guys zoomed in. Oh my goodness. And that's what it looks like whenever it's done. All right, this is really, really neat. Let's kind of dust that off a little bit. All right, and here it is. I think it's actually really cute. I think my handwriting could have been a little bit better, but I'm not gonna be too hard on myself. I think that it looks so good compared to that very light pink color. I think that it turned out really cute. I cannot wait to start junk journaling in here. The next thing I'm going to make for this is going to be a tassel bookmark, and it is going to be so stinking cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and gather some supplies for that and go ahead and film that. That way that you guys can see that video next. Date-wise, I'm not exactly sure when it'll come out, but it'll come out about 2 days after I post this video, so don't worry. Thank you all so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!